Okay, now your error message shows that you have this file missing. The file is missing in your system. So you need to install libaprutil-1. Let me find this file in Debian packages website. Okay, let's find this file. Okay, if you take a look at this screen, you can see this file belongs to libaprutil-1, and we use AMD64 platform. Okay, so you only need to check this line. Do not check other lines because that belongs to other platform. Although the file name looks the same. The file name is the same, but the platform is different. We are using AMD64 platform. Understand? So you need to install this file. Then you can run Virtuoso again to see whether you can see this error or not.